Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a chocolate Basque cheesecake. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into your mixing bowl place your cream cheese, which is at room temperature, and just whisk it on its own, either using a hand mixer or a hand whisk, and just whisk it until it's fluffier. You'll get what I mean, as it'll be lighter and fluffier, but it won't be completely there. Add in your sugar and whisk until that is fully incorporated. It will feel a little granular but nothing too major. To alleviate this, you can add in your eggs one at a time, beating well in between each addition, being careful not to scramble the mixture by adding them all in. Repeat, it will look much looser at the end. Don't worry, add in your vanilla and just whisk that in until it's fully incorporated again. Once that's fully incorporated, you can then add your cream as you're whisking. You will notice that as you're whisking this in, the mixture does thicken naturally, and this is completely normal as this is double cream and you're adding quite a lot into this recipe. Then take your melted chocolate, which is just dark, along with some cocoa powder, and add that in, not forgetting the cornstarch. Feel free to use gluten-free plain flour as well. Just whisk this in until it's fully incorporated and you should have this smooth and glossy cheesecake batter. Trust me, it looks and smells delicious. Give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on, so make sure you get all those bits that may not have been. Then you can go ahead and grab your cake tin, which has been lined with parchment paper and placed into another tin or onto a tray. Then get as much of the cheesecake batter into the tin as possible. This does rise a bit while baking, and that is completely normal as it does dip down and have a crater-like finish. Place into the oven and bake it off. I will leave all that information in the blog post. Then the following day, once it was baked and fully cooled, you can go ahead and finish it off. So to finish it off, you don't need to decorate it, you just need to be careful with removing the paper, as you don't want to rip too much away from the sides of the cheesecake. It does happen, so don't worry, but be careful when you're doing that. Then to finish it, all you need to do is cut it up. So you can cut it into 8 portions, but I only went with 6 as I wanted it to be a generous amount. This is quite a rich cheesecake, so you could probably go with 8 without it being too much of an issue. Again, it's completely optional and up to you. So here is what the cheesecake looked like once it's been baked, cooled and ready for you to eat. It's very dense, very rich and very indulgent, so if you're looking for a treat, this is definitely the one for you. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blogs and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.